All right, so in this video, I'm going to explain how the app Tally works and how it's going to be used as a powerful tool in this program. So first thing, open up your app store, type in T-A-L-L-Y, Tally. Be advised there's some financial apps with the same name. You can scroll down through those. Look for the one that says Tally, the Anything Tracker. Okay, download it, open it. Once you open it, it'll take you to this screen. It'll probably have a little setup process, but once you get through that, you'll be here. When you get here, the screen will be blank because I've already went ahead and put 2 habits in, but yours will be blank. All right, so first of all, this is a free app. There is a upgraded version for 50 cents a month that allows you to do more than 3 habits. For the purpose of this program, however, we will only be doing 2 habits, so you won't need to upgrade. But if you like the app and you feel like, yo, I'd like to do more habits on my own in here, then be my guest, go ahead and pay the 50 cents a month and get the upgraded version. Otherwise, you'll be good to go with the free one. So the first 2 habits that I've put in here are eat from 42-day detox menu daily and train at barefoot. Okay, these are the ones that I'm going to need to see that you are doing as we move along. Now, some of y'all that may be seeing this, doing this video, may not be training at barefoot because we coach clients with this nutrition and accountability program who do not come to the gym. Okay, so if you're one of those folks, stay tuned. I'll explain what to put instead of train at barefoot. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to enter a habit, and I will actually just go ahead and enter what you would want to be putting as your exercise habit if you weren't training at the gym. Now, if you are training at the gym, this would also be a good habit to still have, which it's going to be exercise daily. But again, for those of you that are not training at the gym, that are getting workout programming from us, or just focusing on the nutrition and handling the exercise on your own, this is what you want to do. So you click on the little plus at the bottom, type at the top, exercise daily. Okay, cool. And then you're going to go to where it says reset tally every, change that to week. Okay, for the track on, keep that 7 days a week. Group, that's setting up categories like hashtags. Don't worry about that right now. If you do get the upgraded version and you start adding a bunch more habits, you might want to do that, but I'll leave that up to you. For the purposes of this, no worries. Okay, keep scrolling down, leave the default count and all the other stuff there the same. Then where it says set a target, click on yes. The target for exercise daily would be 7, since there's 7 days in a week. And since we are doing the range of a week at a time. Okay, so go back. Now, reminders, if you want to add reminders, it'll send you a reminder. Otherwise, you can leave that blank. And then you're going to pick a color. I'm just going to, first you got to click. Okay, I'm going to click like this little orange one. Cool, now we're going to go add. Bam, okay, now you see that on there. We've got 0 of 7 on all these because we have not completed any of them. Okay, so that is how you set up a habit, the way I just showed you. So you all can pick, since you get 3 habits on your free version of this. If you want to pick a third one on your own, go for it. Maybe something you're working on, something like exercise or health related, probably, but whatever you would want to do. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and delete that one I just made so we can focus a little better. So you just go to edit, delete if you need to get rid of one. Now we're back to the 2. Okay, so remember, if you are doing this program, you're going to want to make sure that you have these 2, or you could, again, swap out the train at barefoot with one that says exercise daily. Make sure you create these 2 and that they are there. Okay, then each day, let's say you crush your workout at the gym and then you eat wonderfully like a champion. Okay, at the end of the day, what you're going to do is open up this app, click anywhere on the little square. So we'll start with the blue one. Boom, it's going to add 1. Now you go to the other one, you click anywhere on the square. Boom, it's going to add 1 there. So now we've logged that today we've completed this. So this is just saying we completed the work to be done toward this habit today. So it's pretty simple. Now, when you get to the accountability part, there's going to be another training video for the accountability for weeks 1 through 6. I'll explain more at length, but I'll be talking about your accountability for habits, and of course I'll mention Tally on that one. So what I'll be talking about there is you're going to want to click down at the bottom right where it shows the progress bars. It's going to take you to this screen where you can see the whole week at a glance. Okay, so we'll be able to see the days that you do stuff, the averages, all this, right? So then you're going to want to make sure it's in the screenshot. Then you just simply screenshot that one. Once you've screenshotted it, save it to your phone. Okay, and then once you save it to the phone, you're going to send it to me on Slack in our little thread on there. Okay, so you're going to do that 7 days a week, every night. Now, this goes without saying, but make sure you keep it real. Like, I can only help if I know the real stats. So if you have a tough day, you don't get it done, we'll talk about how to get better at time. This program is usually not a straight line from beginning to your goal. It's usually more of a squiggly line with some struggle points. Many people have very few because we try to think through these obstacles and make sure we help you overcome them. But still, you're a human, so you're going to have some kind of struggle in this. And the habit process of developing the habit does take a little bit of time and effort. So this is how we'll track it. That's how you use this app. Pretty simple. If you end up running into any problems, let me know on Slack.